know that you need at least 2 hours a day to master anything you want to master, to make a thing a habit, whether music, whether barbing, whether doing anything that you want to do. So you have no excuses for making trash music, for doing anything that you're doing. You just need 2 hours a day, and you have YouTube. People back in the days didn't have YouTube, but you have YouTube. You could learn from me. I have tutorials on YouTube. You could learn from there. No excuses. 2 hours a day is all you need to be a master at your craft. For you, like that, for you to master your craft, you need 2 hours a day, every day. So make it an habit to start learning new things every day. Learn something every day. 2 hours a day is all you need. Try this today and thank me tomorrow. Peace.